In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to pick a background that looks clean and professional, whether you're on desktop or mobile. First, open Zoom. You can launch the desktop app or use the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in so you have access to all the meeting controls. Next, join a Zoom meeting or start one yourself. Opening a meeting makes it easy to see your live preview while you adjust the background, so you can tell right away how it looks on camera. Once you're inside the meeting, look along the bottom of your screen for the toolbar. This is the strip that shows options like mute, video, participants, and more. If you don't see it, move your mouse or tap the screen to make it appear. Now, click or tap more. On many devices, this appears as 3 dots. This expands the additional options that aren't visible on the main toolbar, and it's where you'll find the settings you need. Choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust video options while still in the meeting. Don't worry, you can explore these without leaving the call. In the Settings panel, select Background. Depending on your Zoom version, this may be labeled Backgrounds, Backgrounds and Effects, or Virtual Backgrounds. They all take you to the same place, the menu where you can manage how your video feed looks. Finally, select a background. You'll see a set of built-in choices, including images and often a blur option. Click one to apply it instantly. Your preview updates right away, so you can check the edges around your hair and shoulders. Pick something that contrasts a bit with your clothing to reduce flicker, and try to face a light source for the cleanest result. If your device supports it, blur is a great choice for a tidy, distraction-free look while keeping you in focus. A few quick tips as you choose. Sit a comfortable distance from the camera so your head and shoulders are centered. Avoid fast, sweeping movements, which can cause the background mask to shimmer, and keep your real background as uncluttered as possible to help the virtual effect. You can change backgrounds at any time during the meeting using the same background panel, and the setting will take effect immediately. That's it. You opened Zoom, joined a meeting, found the bottom toolbar, went into More, opened Settings, selected Background, and chose the look you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Zoom with a background that works for you.